Hello everyone, this is Daniel and Kelly from FitnessBlender.com, and we want to let you know that we have a new program, a new workout video, and a gift card on sale right now.
So the new program is called FB Complete. This is a 4-week program that is meant for beginners, intermediate, and advanced exercisers. So what we've done is we've given you different options for intensity and length of your workout every single day of the program. So as you go through it, you get to decide what works for you on any given day.
So this program is in our shop for sale. If you're a free member, if you are an FB Plus member, it's already in your cart. It is there for you, free to use as an FB Plus member. Also, if you're not an FB Plus member, it's a great time to join because we have a 25% off gift card in our shop right now. It's an $80 card for $60. It just so happens to be just enough to have a full 1-year membership of Fitness Blender Plus for $60, which is a nice savings. But if you don't want a full year membership, you can also use that gift card to buy new programs and then use the remainder for other programs or to even supplement a shorter term use of FB Plus. So you can use just
you
a
can
few
also
months.
do it monthly or even just a single month at a time. So we try to make it as flexible as possible, as user-friendly as possible. And if you do sign up for a subscription, it is a one-button cancel. We are absolutely adamant about that. It has to be easy. That's a pet peeve of mine.
Yeah. And for those of you who already have a year-long membership going with us, feel free to jump in there and buy it as well because the gift card does not expire. Once it's in your FB wallet, it's there for whenever you want to use it, for whatever you want to use it for. So next time your
future programs or
or next time your
meal
FB Plus
plans.
expires, you can renew with that. So it'll all be there for you. The last thing we have, like I said, is a brand new workout video for YouTube. Hello, Kitty. How are you doing?
Might be slightly distracting,
Might
but
be slightly.
the purring is very soothing. Yeah, we have a new workout video actually coming up right now. If it is not, I'm pushing it live immediately after I push this live. So go check out what will be my first YouTube HIIT and strength workout in really like a few years. So.
Yeah.
And if you have any more questions about the new program, it's FB Complete. You can find all of the information, all the details below. Otherwise, the big picture is that it's HIIT, it's strength training, it's cardio and Pilates. It's really the exact focus of training will depend on what you want, depending on which workout you choose each day. All you need is dumbbells, and we include warm up and cool down for you every day. So all you have to do is hit play.
It's an amazingly adaptive program. So you can kind of choose every day how you feel and which way you want to go. If you want to go for something a little bit harder or something a little bit easier. And as always, all of our videos are we show low impact modifications and stuff like that as well. So very, very easy to use whether you're beginner or much more advanced.
Otherwise, I mean, we also have, recently we've started releasing expert content on site. So this is content written by registered dietitians, doctors of physical therapy, and soon mental health therapists as well. So we're trying to do everything we can to make good health as accessible and user-friendly as possible.
And 2021, the most healthy year for our members we possibly can make it. Yeah? All right, guys, that is it. I hope you guys are as excited as we are. Other than that, we'll see you for our next workout video. Bye.
Which is very soon.
Very
Bye.
soon. Boys, thank you very much. Let me double check, make sure it's recording properly. Because you'll kill me if it's not. Okay, test. Okay. He's going to be making noise the whole time.
Loki, it's fine. You don't need to check on it. Just if you hear tiny grunts and snorts, it's not us.
It's okay, buddy. Why don't you just go lay down? Good boy.
Some of the snorting might be there.
Just lay down.
See. I can't really kebab this thing, can I? Okay.
You can't kebab it. Thing of kebab?
Yeah.
Hello everyone, this is Daniel and Kelly from FitnessBlender.com. We have some news for you. News.
That gives you a set of alternate, really just... Say hi, Katie.
No noise.
Should I just hold him the whole time?
No,
He
you
likes
shouldn't.
this.
Okay, now with animals.
It should be better. It should be easier with animals, right?
Yeah, that's what they always say.
Look at this guy.
Hello.
He's
His head is like slowly slipping into your arm more and more. He's just gonna flop through on the other
Okay.
side here pretty soon.
Anyway. Also, if you have any more questions or any more details, I was going to ask if they had any more details. Go ahead and leave them below. Like, that's kind of...
Okay.
Kitty, don't be a troll, Kitty.
Want me to hold your hands? There you go.
It will kill.
Did you start the record button?
Oh. Hi, Kitty. Smooth.
You giant pooch! Oh, poor buddy. Did you give up on life?
Yes.